Hi, Mike Moore here, your Lightspeed litigator, breaking down decades of trial experience into quick and useful insights that you can use. You know, as trial lawyers, our only goal is persuasion, and our toolbox should be full of rhetorical devices. One of the most powerful rhetorical devices in my mind is what I call the rule of three. Three directly related concepts following one upon the other can be compelling in convincing a listener of the rightness of that argument. It can anchor that argument. And because of that, I believe best used at the beginning or even better at the end of an argument. Three examples here, one from classical times. Mark Antony, 44 BC, funeral oration over the body of Julius Caesar as witnessed by William Shakespeare. I have neither wit, nor words, nor worth, action, nor utterance, nor the power of speech to stir men's blood. I only speak right on. I tell you that which you yourselves do know. Here is the orator disclaiming his own worth, while at the same time his speech has stirred the Romans to revolt. Two examples closer to home. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among those are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. We know what the Declaration of Independence was and is for us today. And this opening, the concept of three within three, was taken 87 years later by another president in another crisis of this country. That we here highly resolve that these dead shall not have died in vain, that this nation under God shall have a new birth of freedom, and that government of the people, by the people, and for the people shall not perish from the earth. The concept of three embedded again within three, used by Lincoln so masterfully. He was under enormous pressure, wasn't he, to end the Civil War in 1863. The Gettysburg Address was his prime argument to continue the bloodiest conflict in American history. And because of him and because of this, we have this country today. But this is not a device to be used only in these occasions of crisis. The rule of three applies in any case. It can raise the level of even the most plebeian argument, in the most plebeian case, to a level of justice to convince jurors or judges that they are actually doing justice, no matter what the size of the case. Thank you for your time. I hope you will use this rhetorical device. Thank you.
Our goal with this series of shortcuts is to start a conversation. Your comments, criticisms, and your own experiences in persuasion are most welcome.